and right now many are doing whatever they can to try and stay warm. But the San Antonio Fire Department wants to make sure that you're doing this the right way to prevent electrical fires. KENS 5's Earl Stuttermeyer explains.
Firefighters say you need to properly use heating equipment and make sure it's been maintenance before you plug it in or start a fire in the chimney. In the last 10 days, the San Antonio Fire Department says they've had to put out at least 9 fires started by an unmaintained chimney or bad heating systems. Space heaters are a big culprit behind some of these fires. They're easy to use, they're portable, and you can keep them on all day, but it does matter where you place them.
You go directly to the wall because when they kick on, the power they draw can overload that extension cord or the surge protector and cause it to short out and spark a fire.
San Antonio Fire Department says you also need to keep space heaters on a hard, flat surface and 3 to 6 feet away from anything flammable like carpets, rugs, and blankets. The last tip with space heaters is to turn them off if you're not in the room with it. It only takes a few seconds to start a fire. Another big reminder is to not use your oven to heat a home. These tips will help firefighters respond to other emergencies in the community. In studio, Earl Stuttermeyer, KENS 5.